Hello students, welcome to the chapter Aldehydes, Ketones and Carboxylic Acids. In the previous video lecture, you learned reactions of alpha hydrogen atom, that is aldol condensation, cross aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn distinguishing or separating test for aldehydes and ketones, electrophilic substitution reactions and uses of aldehydes and ketones. Let us begin our today's session with distinguishing test for aldehydes and ketones. First test is Tollens test or Tollens reagent test, which is the most important and characteristic test for aldehydes. The Tollens reagent is ammonical silver nitrate solution. Please remember this one. When aldehydes are heated with Tollens reagent, that is ammonical silver nitrate solution, a black precipitate or shining silver mirror is obtained due to the formation of silver metal. Example, acetaldehyde. When it is treated with Tollens reagent, that is ammonical silver nitrate, when heated, it liberates salt of carboxylic acid and silver metal is precipitated with a formation of byproducts water and ammonia. The silver mirror which is deposited shines like a mirror. Hence, this test is known as silver mirror test. So you can observe here, when you perform this test in your lab, you are going to get a precipitate or a silver mirror like this in your test tube. Dear students, please remember, Tollens reagent is prepared by the addition of sodium hydroxide and silver nitrate solution, which gives brown precipitate of silver oxide, which is dissolved in ammonia. It gives Tollens reagent, that is ammonical silver nitrate. Further, in this reaction, aldehydes are oxidized to corresponding carboxylate ion, and this reaction is occur in alkaline medium only. Tollens reagent can be used to oxidize CHO group present in the compound. Even though there is a presence of multiple bonds, they are not affected by the addition of Tollens reagent. So it is a characteristic test for CHO group, that is aldehyde group. Moving further, second distinguishing test, Fehling's test. Dear students, Fehling's reagent is a mixture of Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B. Fehling solution A is aqueous copper sulfate solution CuSO4, whereas Fehling solution B is alkaline sodium potassium tartarate, which is also known as Rochelle salt. When heating an aldehyde with Fehling's reagent, a reddish brown precipitate is obtained. For example, aldehyde, when it is treated with Fehling's reagent, that is aqueous copper sulfate and alkaline sodium potassium tartarate, when heated, it liberates salt of carboxylic acid or carboxylate ion by the liberation of copper oxide, which is red precipitate, and the byproduct formed is water. So you can observe here, copper sulfate solution blue in color which turn to red colored precipitate when it reacts with aldehyde in presence of Fehling solutions. In this reaction, aldehydes are oxidized to corresponding carboxylate ion, but this reaction is not applicable for aromatic aldehydes. Moving further, next part of video lecture, electrophilic substitution reactions and also uses of aldehydes and ketones. Dear students, please remember, electrophilic substitution reaction means the reaction is going to happen for aromatic compounds where there must be the presence of benzene ring. When benzene is attached with electron donating groups which can activate the ring and they act as ortho and para directing. Whereas when electron withdrawing group is attached to benzene ring, it deactivates the benzene ring by withdrawing the electron from the ring, and it is going to act as meta directing group. This C double bond O group in aldehyde or ketone is electron withdrawing group because of the presence of more electronegative oxygen atom which is attached to the carbon of carbonyl group, and the carbonyl group in turn is going to attach to benzene ring. Hence it is going to withdraw the electron from the ring. It is deactivating group or electron withdrawing group. In aldehydes and ketones, carbonyl group act as deactivating and meta directing group in electrophilic substitution reaction. Example, benzaldehyde which undergoes nitration to form meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. So the reaction is benzaldehyde. When it is treated with nitrating mixture, it is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid in 1:3 ratio. It gives meta substituted compound, that is meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Meta position because the CHO group is electron withdrawing group or deactivating group. Moving further, uses of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are used as solvents. Formaldehyde is well known as formalin, that is 40% of formaldehyde, the solution which is used to preserve biological specimens. And also it is used in the preparation of polymers like bakelite, that is phenol formaldehyde resin, urea formaldehyde glues, and other polymeric products. Acetaldehyde is used as starting material in the manufacture of acetic acid, ethyl acetate, vinyl acetate, polymers, and drugs. Further, benzaldehyde is used in perfumery and dye industries. Acetone is a very good commercially used solvent, and many aldehydes and ketones like butyraldehyde, vanillin, acetophenone, camphor, etc. are well known for their odor and flavor. Thank you, dear students. Hope you enjoy the session. Thank you very much.